How to remove minimum age restriction on Instagram. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. So first thing you should know that in order to remove the age restriction on Instagram, you must have the professional or the business account. Once you have the professional account, click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. It will open up your settings and privacy. Scroll down and inside for professionals, head over to creator tools and controls. Over here, the option of minimum age will be visible to you. Click on it. It will be landing you on this page. In order to remove this minimum age restriction, all you want to do is click on remove. Once again click on remove in the section of default. Once you have removed the age, tap on done at the top right corner of the screen. And there you go, the minimum age restriction has been removed successfully. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove minimum age restriction on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.